YouTube. I know I'm looking kind of rotten today, but that's because I've been at work all day and I just couldn't be bothered. But today, see, I've got hiccups as well, that's why I thought I'd vlog with you guys. Today, yeah, we had a barbecue. Look at the lovely chicken that's left over, and there's salad that's left over. It's got oh look, here's my cousin Laura. Laura, would you like to say hello to the YouTubers? Come in. Oh look, there's my sister as well. Guys, say hello to my sister. There's Rania and Laura, my cousins, and my sister. Yeah, so it's really awesome because I'm just like standing in the kitchen and I'm eating loads of chicken. And this is my boyfriend's shirt, but look, my food is full of chicken. No, my tummy is full of chicken and other things, yummy stuff. But everyone put dessert outside, and I wish I could actually show you all the dessert, but we're eating watermelon and apple strudel and what's the other thing? Donuts. There's watermelon, apple strudel and donuts. But I'm allergic to the apple strudel and the donuts, so I'm just eating watermelon. And so yeah, that was our Lebanese barbecue today. Goodbye, YouTubers.